Today we got in a 2000 Acura Integra with a 1.8 in it that the customer states that when they hit 3,200 RPM and above, the car will not, it's like almost like a rev limiter is coming on. The car will not gain any speed and just start shaking. So let's get into it. Get some scan data and see what's going on with it. The oxygen system is straight lean. Okay, we switched over to the Veris. Let's check the codes here, see what it says. It sure feels like a fuel problem, not anything else. The car sure jumps up and down after 3,200, goes lean. Dead lean. So we've got a crankshaft position sensor 1 range performance. Now this was the code that the customer stated was in it, and they replaced the crankshaft sensor. I don't know if he cleared the codes out of it. Let's look through some data and see what it looks like here. I don't see a crankshaft sensor per se. PID, no. Yeah, I didn't think so. Not a 2000. It's a little too old to have all the good data. Time for driving it. All right, we're going to put a fuel pressure gauge on this thing. Have a look at the scan data. I saw the O2 sensor was going completely lean at 3,200. So I got a gut feeling maybe we got a fuel pressure problem. So that's what we're going to do right now. Put an adapter on here. Makes it kind of nice here. You got the fuel filter right on top. Slug that down. Hook our gauge up to her. We'll fire it up. See what we got. The pressure there looks pretty good, about 35 pounds. Jumps up to 45. Take it for a drive with the gauge on it, see what it looks like. We'll snake it through. We'll tape it right to the windshield. We don't have to worry about it. Alright, we're working on this Acura 2000. There's the fuel pressure at idle. She's running really bad above 3,500. It's like it's running out of gas. So we're going to take it for a spin here. Let's see if the fuel pressure drops. Trying to do this alone, kind of a pain in the butt. But we'll get her done. Yeah, so Island running pretty bad. So we're going to take it for a spin. See what happens for that fuel pressure. Can you see that? Well, the fuel pressure does not drop. CO2 sensor. You see that she went straight lean. And she's just jumping all over the place. Back to the Veris. We're going to put the hook the scope up to it and take a look at this crankshaft sensor. See if there's anything weird going on. There's definitely something weird going on in this car. I got a funny feeling we're going to find it right here. Now there's two crankshaft sensors in this car. There's one that's down at the crank and there's one inside the distributor. Now the code we're getting is the one that's inside the distributor. So we'll get her hooked up here and see what it looks like. Fire it up. See what we got. We should have a good pattern, one after another. And that doesn't look like a good pattern. Not at all. Looks like a 3-cylinder or 1-cylinder, 3-cylinder, 1-cylinder. There's the pattern. That's what it's supposed to look like. All right, I think it's time to take a look at this distributor. There's definitely something wrong with it. You can see the pus in there. Inside the coil right there, it's full of green pus. We got green over here and rust. The distributor's in pretty rough shape and it's making a lot of noise. A lot of rattling around. So we're gonna see if we can't get one. Well, we got this distributor out. Down here you can see it. I don't know if you can hear this or not, but it is definitely something going astray on the inside of this thing. So we popped the new one in, and it sounds real good, it runs good. We're going to put it on the scanner and take her for a drive. Make sure the code doesn't come back. Make sure it doesn't quit running at 3,500. So let's go drive it. All right, before we drive it, let's clear the codes out of here and make sure that when we get back we can test, make sure they don't come back. They don't come back right away. Once we, as soon as you started up, the code was there. I cleared it a couple times just to make sure, and it would come back. So we are going to clear them real quick right here, take it for a test drive, and hopefully we can give this back to the customer and start with the next one. As always, we really appreciate you. Glad you came by and looked at it. We do enjoy doing these videos for you. All right, we're going to take this Acura for a test drive. Make sure to go over 3,500 RPM. So let's go. Try to hold this camera as good as I can. We just got a bunch of rain and our road is destroyed again, as you can see. a used car from a dealer down the road. They tried to fix it and couldn't, but I think we got it straightened out. That distributor was wasted, making all kinds of noises inside. Sorry about the wiggles. All right. Oh yeah. It's $4,000. Yeah, she runs good. No hopping up and down and going crazy. So we'll call this a fix. We'll scan it, make sure the code doesn't come back. And we'll be done with this one. Pretty easy job. The biggest problem we had is getting parts. Had to special order this, or the used car dealer did. I think he got it out of China. Okay, let's check for codes. Make sure everything's cleared out and gone. All right, no codes. Good enough. It runs good, no codes in it. We'll give it back to the used car lot. They can get her cleaned up and get her on the lot. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you want to subscribe for more videos, hit the subscribe button. We always appreciate you. You have a great day. Bye-bye.